So if we have one more geometry answer, subsequence. Yeah, decreasing subsequence. So actually we can the number of decreasing subsequences. Oh, my idea is like the final answer would be like H seems easy. H seems easy. Good message. I'm curious about that. I need you to do something like that. Should be 6. Let me just look at the. Why do I need to specifically look at that? I think it's you can decide. Yeah, we're second. I got one more. Make sure to call one. I was close. Dude, good job. One was there. Yeah, you have to pass some DF, into the DFS call that you do. List of numbers, and every time the operation is sorted and subtract, like second is replaced with second minus three, then third is replaced with third minus second, and you just simulate it because the sum just decreases. Okay, so it's asking after k rounds of the torsion, which k can be it's going to stop changing.
So this is because sometimes it's more optimal to start new.
Yeah, this one. If not, because you cannot. Oh, you want to fill this one out, and then
this one doesn't matter, and then you just start one from here, like this, because then this is just n plus 2, but that one is like 2 of m minus n.
No, this is not the amount you have. This is the final amount.
No, I know what you're saying.
Это новых стен. Что эти цифры значат?
Це значить, що в саму верхню воду зайшов з 0, в другу верхню воду. Так, кількість раз. Так. Вот, тому 4 хватить.
Почему оно должно быть таким?
И then is it impossible?
Now we need that 2. Means any.
but this one, like, it has to be like,
Well, this is just red one.
Like we see zero, just raise it up and hold it. Yeah, actually starting to raise at the right of it.
zeros will never change.
I think you described it. They're like mini tops.
Can I rotate this or no?
Maybe the, I don't know, like, the very big.
I think
Friday.
Just wait, like that one, right? Okay. Yeah, we are 8. B. Yeah, Daryl's only happy. Did you look at B?
yeah, thanks. Wait until someone gets it right.
Kate works in the sun. First solve, choose a bunch of solves, that's it.
Can you list it from top to bottom? Can you list the numbers? It's output.
Okay.
You want to write? Maybe you should write. Do you know how to use PPTs? I need a set with support of coding and rep. Yeah, I can do that. Okay. Wait, can you ordered set. It's is it still in here? You can use the value size is 2 bits. Right here. Okay.
Yeah, and then for each one, if it's less than or equal, we skip it. And then, are we sure this is optimal? There's so many rounds. And then, if it's active, if it's...
No, you have to swap this, not active. And send it active. You have to swap it. You have to send active, not active.
Okay. Isolate tomography? Wait, did you put in SAMPS? Where did you put the file?
This to ICPC.
You can not flip Vegas and get to the family, okay?
Yeah. So it's on the minimum of even if the it's 5, it's more efficient. Not necessarily. Oh, just yeah. It's just
It's in fact more like removing the
Oh, no, I
What about smaller? Smaller.
I'm going first off with you. Fuck it.
So like
3, 4, 0. Thế đi chiều rộng không tăng. Chiều rộng không tăng thì mình chỉ quan tâm chiều rộng mà.
I want
and then let's do 3, 2. Let's do 3, 3, 2, 4. There should be 11. Wait, is that?
Wait, so you're down it. Oh, fuck, right.
Yeah. Wait, is it? So you're saying it's always possible that?
Like, you literally just like gonna add another block. You don't add another block like this shit. This is not it down. But I just feel like, yeah, I don't know, man. I'm so bad at constructed algorithm. Yeah.
Or my code is wrong.
When you want to divide it.
So is it a problem if mod is an int?
So for this one, we're required to
Can you give me the numbers again? And then
сколько способов в итоге получилось. Короче, все цифры надо разбить. И сколько способов.
4 downs or whatever. Like it needed to go down, do them the action. Because you can do this.
What's the constraint? No, the constraint. That's the fact. The product.
Ты, короче, дорисовываешь до
А,
каждого
до кожного ліфа. Okay, I'm down.
No, I don't have it yet. It's okay.
That's huge that we can get
One of them stole pill. What am I reading? No, it's on him. Oh, yeah, I read it. It's on him.
So this is like for how many ways? How many ways can you No, that's no, and you know, right? So if we do zeros in certain row, right?
You'll give them a choose. How many
Bro, okay. I gotta keep the momentum going. Go. Gonna fear so if you're coder, go.
It is like 3 to 5 minutes.
But so yeah, so the two things are, if we oh wait, maybe just but yeah, so for each child, if our current node has a path to the root, then for each child they either can have one or they can not have one. We don't care.
Yeah. So I guess like the
Alright, I should have done this better to begin with. It's okay. It's fine. I can why? I agree. I think right.
Feel free to keep me up. I'm not very confident.
Yeah, or do you have L right now? Do you have C? Well, I mean, I'll. What happened to B? What happened to B, guys? PDP. Okay, I'll look at that.
Using problems like technically, right?
Yes. I mean.
Okay, I'll think about it.
And then you have it.
I think I have think about it.
So the only problem is it's sort of like just putting user pressures need so
Oh, this is
well, yes, you or you don't actually need
还有几条线，有一个很长，要写20多写的一样多。
There's no impossible. In worst case, you can just make everything row again. Is it possible to make 0? Or it has to be? It doesn't say anything about it. Okay, so it's never 0.
You have to deal with it. I don't think it's strictly looking for maximum. Somewhere in between extreme, where you have only a single flight extent, or if you have as many as possible. You can't. I don't think you can search all the monotonic condition.
I'm going to just restart a movie package for you. Whether or not it's you can do that.
F or D? You're an A or you think a K, bro? Okay. Just focus on it. It should be accepted. So that makes it much more just kill this. Yeah. Just plus minus 1 well.
Okay, I believe in you.
But you need to buy the list to solve this equation. Because it needs to be
Wait, no, well, I don't even understand the original. I'm not even. Can you say this?
Let's say like if we
What's the problem name? Dude, they don't get the number here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
So like that.
Oh, like this is the amount I had. Okay, whatever. This doesn't.
Yeah, put it in this secret. The prod should actually, yeah, you can honestly put, yeah, that works, that works. Let me write down these numbers. You can start working on yours. We've got time to type.
Is A too much for
Don't think about it. Then nearby.
That's what I'm saying.
Go for B. Go for B.
And so I'm thinking they only care this floor, right? Right, the levels that's
So it's A, bro. A is the winning team right now.
Yeah, B and J is also.
Surprisingly, M nobody so interesting. I'm gonna look at B.
The scale of the unit square is just the number of unit squares. I'm just not too sure how you use it.
No one's so I was trying to think some more. Good word.
Or what have you got on the? Do you have anything?
No, yeah.
Dude, oars.
Can you tell me how to do it? I mean, do you have solves and I don't know how to calculate that. It's not one solve.
You can't do this.
It has a lot.
Going down needs to have a path going up. Yeah. Oh no, you either remove an edge, yeah, it's either or. You either delete the edge to that child and it's a path going down, or it's a path going up. So it's like the product of the sum thing that you had earlier.
Are you sure that all cases work?
Yeah, you can like delete any of the children.
11 and p to the 1, because then p to the 11 is p minus 1 times p to the 10. Okay, so this lets you get even powers of prime. Yeah, even powers of prime for 3. I just need to do that extra prime.
我理解应该是这样的。我有感觉是这样，但我们特别确定。在看你，然后我主要是。
Oh my god. We spent one hour on Urbana.
What do you mean?
上例子过，但是感觉很奇怪。
Oh, Waterloo is forever. I actually why there's this is their challenge. So they should send everyone above Waterloo.
you get trees. SLA is long. And Excel. You flush it out. And I like no, this details for you.
Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Okay. B? A, not A? Yeah. B, I'm like,
这是在 calorie of
你是几个菜？主要是第一个菜，然后
can I
先给你个 A B，
just want to show that
上面是啥？上面是
no we are squaring because we check this formula
but if we're doing 2R, this is literally
no 这个 my limit is
我先给你个 A B， 就是
2R because you need to square this anyway so like can you do this one replace LL with underscore in 128 yeah how can you run it
fill this up with R. Let's say you have to try both ways of filling it up.
Maybe you place the districts.
But that's literally, that's easy.
Okay, fine. I don't think so.
And then you should use the capital alternative.
For decimal?
Yeah, for that has, they have one for
Ignoring here. It's like 1 and a 2. Then take the R. Steven, this one is only solved by UBC and UCF. He only has 2 solves. Jay has a lot.
okay B is correct we got B inside
you get this.
I can read link
Why not?
we got yeah 5 affected on A and 5A 3L 2D 3L yeah 3L yeah
It doesn't give you the
because the amount of area with is as compared to isn't those sort of one
Hold on, let's try running this.
oh, this formula.
Sure.
and thirdly for in равно минимум R и M ага а и создай какую-то локальную переменную равно не тут снаружи да все а теперь сюда входит ask и равно R
I is smaller I and the larger higher row. Yeah, exactly. So the lower row is like bigger. Then I do that. Yeah. So this is the lower row. Lower row. This is higher row. Yeah, but we're comparing I against I minus one.
Start hopping.
That just gets the sum of the certain as children's that are like fixed.
Yeah. So the problem is, do this. Let's say I like do this.
Yeah.
There's no requirement that this happens. Yeah, but so what I can do is I can like set this edge, make sure a later one goes down. But then here, everything has to be severed from the root at some point. So that's cut. I either cut here, or I don't cut.
Do the cases. Like, where is it? Okay, then move. Wait, move to.
Yes, I do.
Don't move to M. It's not solved by anything. Move to M. L already. Okay, you remember? Move to L already. Yes.
What is
L is G. And then
how many teams?
add all the prime factors. UI you see. US. Basically you're multiplying B by B minus.
Thế thì bên trên nó sẽ là bên mình. Từ nó sẽ đều P4, my bad. P4 là P3 cho nó P. Bên dưới là P. Sao lúc mình để nó P3 nào. Nó thì cái này P3. Nếu như mà P3 thì thằng này cho bên trên là P3 luôn. Bên trên là P bình bên dưới không gì. I'm also saying like you Dot. Right. Dot. R. Все. Теперь while меньше M. No.
Oh, definitely. I don't see that correct program though. No, I want it to fit. Yes. Look at the copy.
认一下。
哎，过了。牛逼。过了就好。哦，this is good. No, int. 加起来要大一点。Yes.
dividing A and B pretty quickly, so it's going to be pretty quick.
I destroyed A here, so then I'm
Negative H to H, so the two curves. So,
how can I get the order of the iterator?
Of an iterator?
Yeah.
I'm not actually.
So when I need the order of key, what I didn't mean, how many numbers smaller than it?
yeah, I think you should think about that. I think you're the only one who can solve that. Think about second and like I can choose these. Yeah, I can choose those. Yeah.
we can't just take the integer. So
Right.
like
Okay.
another area function that now actually
Well, can't we just cast it into
we
a game?
can't because you might not do the same thing, but then like
Okay, so this in area should be here, and then here we should take the in area. Okay. That would have been a first solve.
which file numbers we like calculated, or we calculated.
Yeah, that's fine. I can just connect this now and plug in and find what's one and find what's in it.
One more case like this. The answer can be 0, right?
Can be 0. Never mind.
Yeah. Do you have some? Do you have an idea?
Yeah. This is just like a stupid. So I did change the DP recurrence.
I think the difference is
Так мы почали сейчас. Какая разница? Ладно, просто чтобы смотреть на Все, не for int, мы уже здесь создали. J меньше m минус 1, типа ans, не min, а четко до...
I just want you to make sure.
Yeah, later. I'm gonna have to type this anyway, so I guess I'll type it B.
Yeah, we're from B. They're not bad. Can you help me with mapping this?
No, like I haven't solved it. I'm gonna have to type the x coordinate GFS. Give me the
Nice.
Check the. Alright, so let's say you're having like things. If it doesn't, it's like you do it. You do it in the top. Like you higher or down.
But I think we got the at some point.
Can you put it in Python? We test. Oh yeah, we test on the both test cases. Just thinking it.
No, it's not.
基本的这个东西，两个都不看的话，那都是这样。
Yeah, yeah.
这样。你根嘛，对吧？你这么，假设这一点上跟着，那这个是矛盾的，这两个都不是。Are you sure？这就不是说的，不是说的。就这个，如果是这样的。
Yeah, but this is geometry. 我看一下我 L， 我再继续一下 L， 我这个单调性难道是过的吗？为什么心里我考虑这样没有？我感觉高你约等于是你约等于转化成一个这样的问题，就是给你一个点，一个椭圆形的需要切入到
Just tell me. I can summarize basically. Did you read it?
We can say 0, 0, 4, 5 degree grind downwards. It's pattern.
Correct. I will just print out the same.
Oh, that's not like
I'm gonna type up the time.
This is
Similar with
in Turbo Plus, if you start from first they decide one of these things, then you have a lead with one of these.
Yeah. I guess. Is there a leaf that has a we already have? Is that something that was one? Yeah.
Do you think we can generalize this?
Like,
Okay, so actually the formula is to maximize
SH minus different midpoints. Strictly greater than what difference?
what an example we are so I like data 3, 4, 5. So I have this one. This one is
Okay, the next is going to be. I think we should be maybe.
Okay, we're in 15th right now. We're in 15th.
Yeah. Like, even though we're a little bit slow, but like, we are. Yeah, we have zero penalty, so that is. No, like almost 2 of them in the first hour is good though.
Okay, so now the next one's A and B.
No, it's B, D, or like S.
Okay, you don't know what it is. A is math, right?
It is math, but like, it needs like.
I don't think I might. Да, именно сидим по ночи, да. Где оно случайно мог поставиться? Это пишет, что мы делаем.
그 равно нулю. Вместо нулю. И в к, если к меньше нуля, ну к равно нулю. Да?
Thôi, thay một tám năm cho 60. Thiếu một cái 60. Từ từ, thay một 85. Hả? Sao mày không nói? Em lại anyway anh biết làm fix. Nếu mà thằng B mà đúng rồi, 6 đúng rồi. Như là và tay cái 47 6. Okay, look at what B can you tell possible star.
Have anyone
Possible and possible stars.
have we looked at the beat? I'm pretty sure we have lots of it. Yeah, we have. You submit. We can do.
Oh, you do A.
Just A.
Okay.
So that P minus 1 step is going to cancel out. Then I get the probability of many factors. So each one of these is like 2 because it's squared, 2 extra P's. So I divide it.
You've never won B2 negatives, so you always like multiply.
Oh, I wrote it
never.
B is negative, I multiply both by -1. So this round plus B. Yeah, I think
It's definitely. I think it's all that. So that B and then B and then B and then H. Oh no, L. Oh wait, no. Oh, I can do it. L. Yeah, I had so many ideas. I knew it was. What's this university? That's not the point where it's yeah. So like my first idea was like can we all sick. Yeah, we'll do that.
If we easily explore it's basically, for example, if we consider if we take the state of this, like the PI11, for example, okay, so that there is exactly one layer that's constituted and no passing okay. And calculating this PP is easy. We should just fix one child where this edge is not dilated and it has a leaf which can intersect and this passes. Right? We should what? Fix one child, yeah, for which this edge is. This one.
That's very hard. That's a square root. Yeah, so first we have to find it.
Which is we do.
No, like the yeah, I think so. That's like different. Yeah, we have to calculate that. And then we have that. Can you tell me when it's 11? Yeah. If it's still I don't want to waste too much time.
well, I mean, it's like a lot of stacked units.
For G.
Oh wait, we got AC.
I guess like what do you like do you want like the maximum, what do you want for
Well, I want to know when we reach maximum in the real case.
So you don't want the maximum when you want our maximum.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, this is
Okay, but my question is, this max when this is equal or when this is less than zero?
Dude, if it verticals, it goes down. It's this socket function. So we only need to consider these peaks.
Well, we consider there's only one subgrid.
So if there's one thing, you can just cut anything on the cycle. If there's two things, you can you need to cut one thing on one thing below the LCA. These should still be. Yeah, sorry.
Any info?
No.
Well, that's the only thing that I can find. You think I should submit again or no? You want to look at it? The only thing that I changed was adding a mod line here, which could be a source of
What else? A lot of
I guess adding a mod.
I feel like there's A, B, or actually we have counts. What do we know? Where the counts go? Oh wait, we did some counts. Yeah, ABP.
如果看了其他两个就是吧。 nhân 9 thì 10 trên 3. Mình đã câu lập thể một tới trên 10 nhân 3. Tức là nó lại trở lại nếu như mà n nhân với cái gì thì 10 nhân với cái gì.
这个不在它的上面，这上面看到这个上面这个看上面，孙子吧跟他是
Wait, 0, -1 means that this is impossible.
Then how does like that?
I break. Oh, then I. Yeah.
What's going on here?
Or no, this is because okay, I got
Well, I got a runtime error.
this is like GP root 1, and then if you it should be 0. There's no other possibility.
I know implementing.
SharifUni was so. I mean,
Not sure. No.
Okay, you can let me go. Okay. So we don't really have.
Yeah, but after could both have a prime, but they never have a prime.
Okay, but when you multiply b to the power p minus 1, just also reduce a and b, because a is like a and b might have.
You multiply b to the power of
when you multiply b by p minus 1.
like, is there a partition here, right?
Researching to like one.
Like we do b times p,
Oh no, b times p minus 1.
because you write it like that.
Then GC d and this, a and this.
I think D is
Okay.
So you reduce it.
Okay.
And then you just
It's not more where you connect all these back up and then you have to delete a subset. It might be some combinatorial simple stuff. Or if you have the DP, that's actually fine.
No, you just go.
In my test case, I just special on something. It's 7 plus. It doesn't have to be 0 This is the point.
I think only and see into the floor. And then see it's like a sequence. Like some receives the slowest one. So the area is you will process from the biggest part to the least part. So let's say
Oh, that's the graph.
The timeline is.
do you want to put
Oh, no.
Like, how do you like it?
Там быстро.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think
Я не знаю. А тебе долго еще писать?
Мне надо еще все написать, типа,
Ну просто типа поэтому узнают, как бы я решил. I'm implementing the rituals. I'm the strongest.
Oh, that's 10 nice.
yeah.
Sort of.
我会做 F， 就是 F 有一些细节我还没想清楚，但是
要不然你微了。
A 挺会了， A 我正在写。
Okay, hold on.
C 不会 ，C 是个感觉是个压轴题，就是。
My idea is which explanation you got it right? Correct?
Yes.
Can you?
I have J. Wait, obviously go with J for me. I should just have it. So I think just
Generate test cases for me.
Reading problems. Now we're
Yes.
do you need your J?
Yes, I do.
No.
Save it. You have to save it.
Okay, save it. It's D. Bang, bang, bang.
Okay, yeah. And you can do that for like all crimes even.
I think we at this point like actually just getting correct every 30 minutes.
Because like just as
Стоп, ты знаешь еще one?
You might want to do a capacity thing.
No.
Okay.
So if it's here we just do answer sequence. Is it? It can be impossible somehow.
I think it's just like.
So it's divided by
try both 2 and 1. I'll start with that.
We got $1,500.
If it is something like this, then calculate the stuff. Right.
Because here we don't have any big sign, so we count these guys independently. But if you see this tree is like symmetric, like this, and then like let's say we do it like this guy here, and then this guy here.
So you just like pop them in here, pop those guys and those in there. So you have your everything, this, this one, like most things, but actually just the up. I guess that's true. You just show the up, right?
And then make it in. And then also sort from I instead of I, so that the prime number itself is the top. Yeah. Then you need the B of.
Oh no, you cannot add here because this is prime. Then it's a P of J.
Or you want to make the meaning for each tree or doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter. And this one, if you have PI equal I here.
Yeah. Times B.
Well, in this case it will be PA, but it's just make P equals PA.
We don't care, bro.
Why would they do that?
Right? And
What KA? How?
no, yeah.
Yeah, just ignore it. Okay, we start at 0. Oh, you can
How do I?
you can like, I think if you allow to be wider, like, it's not how it. Wait, where's MIT?
I submitted.
Coding E. Problem solve E. Oh, E is the problem there.
Yes. We're N plus 2.
E is solved.
Have a little bit.
I'll read out of the
Yeah. Oh, I know what's true. What the?
I think just do X for practice. Yeah, to find all the primes. See,
Let's go!
Yeah, you gotta start C++.
F1.
Oh, you think you have B? Sweet.
Okay.
10.
I'm just checking it. Yeah.
I think like if this was like did not have precision issues, I think there would be more solves, right?
It's probably still bad.
We'll see. You can pass with R equals 1.
Is this legit?
Yeah. It should 10 points or something.
That's.
So we have done. Theo's doing A. I'm doing L. We did H and we did K. So D, F.
I think you have feel free.
I didn't even write.
Because I don't do that.
Have only half the parity logic here, don't I? If x mod 2 is 1, and absolute value of highest, basically you're not allowed to be is 0. Basically, if you're at an even height on an odd step, that's illegal. So I need to subtract 1.
Just connected to the main tree.
Turning up
The tree is connected to this main tree. The main tree. The tree is connected.
Oh, wait. No. You're recording or no? Okay, okay, I go back to A then. Okay. Alright.
I'm getting ready to start more
This, I read it.
We tested a lot of the weird stuff.
Yeah.
First elements represent so the DC
I'm trying to look at
A, Brandon.
They don't have 12
correct.
That's a circle of leaves that should yeah,
Okay. What about probably
I started reading it but haven't finished. You can read.
What do I say? You read it?
还有一题，我现在就是有最后的细节不太，我感觉它有点问题，需要有个人等一下换我下来，让我冷静。F?
I'm stuck on the lines. I'm trying to find. Basically, like we have a bunch of lines. I'm trying to find. Which one? Okay, try it. This isn't working. I'll check my math again. I think that's the best thing to do right now.
Да, это теперь, да.
This is the problem.
Окей, вроде да. Притом нужно одну инлайн оставить.
so H was selected with
I'm doing that.
Don't care about penalty.
27 right now, I think.
Like, look at this, like,
Give it a 0 here.
no, I'm going all the way up.
Okay, this is limited by page.
Yes. It should be square. I want to make sure this doesn't really help because I know I have the time. I guess I'll stay. Where are we now?
Like, oh, this one should be, but this one should be same as this one. If there are should be the same. This one, so then another should be.
What does it say?
Oh, it is.
This is weird. Let's speed it better. So, tote. Okay, so we have the normal case down. So then if it's let's just keep it split up. Split up. At least we can reason about that better.
By 0, but and this can add a bit.
I hope it's easier.
That's why you need modules.
Yeah, we did module activity. Yeah.
这个距离我的 stand 太对了，但是
你先跟子睿说题，先别透露那个想法。
就是有一个这个东西，这些东西是墙，然后这个波纹是水，然后点是枯也是波。It's not correct. 不能告诉你，就每行有多少个。它是multiplied 18 是一个
So we have cover someone that was language. And then you multiply both. No.
Cross it off. Toss it off.
You need it?
No, can I run my
Nice, good job.
So the idea is we look through all the questions we have. And start at the biggest. Okay. If it's an even power, like
Here's
exactly
scoreboard.
what I said earlier, which is
Which column?
the p to the 2k over p. If I run the operation on this, then I get p to the 2k minus 2. So I just set it to this.
The next one should be D or B. D, B, or H.
What? You don't need to do this.
I think that's the first one. We first solves are like do it. Then we did you read it? Go read it. You want to code it?
Slightly suspect. Next case, if I have exactly one child, then I increment the chain length and I leave the other two the same. Okay, otherwise, now how are we combining it? First, I'm going to do this transformation where I take the second value, which was how many ways could I
two legs are broken, so that's fine. Yeah, whichever you prefer. So it's all just using a grid. You want to create this grid. The turn is the top right one. And you want every vertex to do two. So when you see apple plays up, down, left, and right, the direction.
Yeah, and in the top right, that's not any direction.
It should not have any directions. But you want to reach to the right from any vertex.
Chess.
Oh, I found a bug. Shouldn't we subtract from capacity here? Or does that wait? Oh, it only gets changed once, right? So there, capacity is equal to 0.
Okay.
He has a lot of wrong submissions, so be careful.
I'm almost done.
I think we can, but like it's sometimes, so it doesn't give you every single. It just gives you a lot.
Yeah. It gives you specific
How would you do it? How would you maintain it?
No.
But like, okay, bro, I'm so impressed that you implemented all of that fast in minutes.
It's not so bad.
Bro, like accuracy, bro.
They changed out to it's so fucking easy.
Okay.
To do the swing, you jump to 4 points in like half hour.
Okay.
Evidente.
Like, is it possible for there to be like they it says there can't and that just is a case. Like oh that just is like but you can't have 3 edges because that would be
but it's very easy to wrong.
On yeah, well, it's easy to wrong answer. I think on precision.
okay, you figure it out.
Do you have to find out a longer?
Але точно в ДП воно не зберігається. Does it give
Yeah.
You can literally just see on the parent has. What is the question?
Wait. You have to see the. Okay, let's say like.
C is yeah, C I think I will be able to interactive. I'm familiar with interactive. Maybe I should read it first.
That for the second.
就是你想一下，是不是每个东西？
No sex good.
We need to have
No, actually, it doesn't say, so it could do that.
I'm not gonna type the whole thing.
Because my strategy will work, it's just too slow. Because even if you do the normalization, you're still going to do it.
Are you only ever removing one edge below a course, or do you?
Oh, that makes me so.
You can
I actually.
I don't have a full solution. No full solution.
Yeah, because I can't make 2 connections. Right, it's like, this should also be
Probably 8. Are you sure?
Yes. Okay, so I need
Like, where, so this means that there's another one.
yeah, so just number 5 minutes. We're just talking about the templates.
I watch this. You know that paper actually?
Wrong answer. I only had a 1 pick.
I kind of believe
We're not doing too bad.
I'm gonna look at I'm
ตามเดี๋ยวพวกเดี๋ยวใกล้ๆเดี๋ยวจะใกล้ๆเดี๋ยวใกล้ถึงก่อนใช่ก่อนแต่là cái ý tưởng đấy cho mình coi phần lại thì là hay.
So it's gonna do like this weird. Just check like $2 that each child requires no more like breaks. This one first break.
And then expired by. Yeah, is the test ever going to be like square root or oh yeah, because it's gonna be square. Sorry,
Okay, 2 minutes of debugging. Okay.
Some. What is this?
I'm just gonna do it.
You fix the function. Or is it like run so much?
You fix first.
Continuously. Just if you fix the function, mine. So this, get this. No. Either the you can return this.
So this is lowest order.
This is just this gives you the point. So you can write the point under.
Oh yeah. We need to write first. Let's discuss.
我还是按照合并这个东西，合并这个东西。
No, this is the only place I multiply.
Wait, if someone wants to make sure I don't
fine.
So then,
This is fine.
testing? Yeah. Okay, I'm like better at so I'll definitely help. Take it. So, yeah, you're still
This is frequency rate.
So that's interesting. Why for 2?
Because I have to multiply it. So.
Basically, you never put it.
This okay, so really what we want to do is
When I'm working.
Okay, try code.
Okay, let me just like.
What place is
Wait, read them out.
I love behind my time.
8 nodes.
1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 2 to 4, 4 to 6.
Yeah, wait. Like Daddy checked my
It's 7 edges.
Good job.
Oh, sorry.
Like 2 minutes one.
Kevin, yeah. All to do green as possible. Yes. So just try to do all. Not like
not too much. I also want to look at the scoreboard. L? 9. 19.
No, stay fair. First, that's what you got. What if
Oh, actually, no, well, let's just add an option here. T is equal to N.
How long is it? 这里面就是分到一盒的样子。如果分到一盒的话，你就需要用一个 U， 然后用一个
You wanna start coding while like there's like I hope
或者你在 U 的上面，然后你如果分到一列的话，
like people just need to think about it.
You guys, all the prints that we are doing, any more text?
Show them on the floor or something. You can show them behind.
Can I have Oh, why is it less than? Certainly should be less.
You can multiply both ways. It shouldn't have the same number of
Okay, so what is val? Yeah, val. These are my tests. Is what I'm testing. So basically, or you see how it's like AW squared or BH squared is less than R squared. Oh, two R squared.
Is there pairs?
Oh, sorry. So this.
And then there's like aggressively or TPI 1, sorry, TPI 1 plus TPI 0.
There's a plus in there? Wait.
And then no. And then add TPI 0 and mod it again.
I can do it. Okay. So
how do I
you
do
add self to this?
What do you need?
Because I need to divide this one. Yeah.
Wait, is it worth doing that?
Yes, I think I want to do.
Is there a
No, it's okay. I can remember. What is it?
That's still you can type 9, 13. What was the second example? What problem? A?
Something like mantra. But you changes like actually like side up. Negative sign.
If there's something wrong,
Треба, щоб було менше качу.
Штука
我觉得你说的想必是但我觉得会知道一
This all comes after the time.
Oh, I need the and then you just recurse to negative 1.
Reverse, and I'm just trying to see what we need to be tipping. So we got D.
I'll think about D. I haven't read D.
I didn't actually I can think about Becky codes.
This is the no, it's gonna be less. This is how many possible ways I can. I look at every side. Some of these may be valid.
I don't think these are enough.
Okay. And then there is a function.
Yeah, but like here, we don't care about the else.
Okay. Those like do the same thing. Like basically do the same thing. Try to assign leaves maximum numbers, and if there is some left, assign the limit to the.
I guarantee if this is something like by like 1.2,
I should buy yourself a wide. I should have squares. Oh shit, nobody dividing. I'll try to see
Wait, why do you have an X?
I love it.
Why? Oh, yeah.
No, and return should be eat.
Oh, there's one here. You should rip out the formula. No, I don't think so.
No. I think that one might be solved. But I don't think I can.
But so many teams have gone it.
Okay, what have they said?
Yeah, you're right.
Verify that the samples are correct.
And we should make it
On the right side, it's the top of the line is 4711.
and that's not -1, that's a +1.
Yeah.
Here I want to try. And if like oh, I need an index.
No. We can do this. We can do the last.
Oh, they use it
for last hour.
Real quick, so wait. So it's just like you start at all the points on the left. Is it always going to be an interval that you can realize? Maybe I should keep making check, but that's not
Yeah, you read it.
Pushback. We start the initial, so this is the pointer for the top, this is the pointer for the bottom. This is the range of valid positions. This. Possible is if it's possible. So we initially set the ranges to -h and h.
It's the height.
The verses of a tree. It needs to become like from 0 to
The height of the valley.
some verses are greater than them. We have something greater than them. Female ones. And
the answer of node E, the value of node E and node E. The answer is the sum.
Oh, sum of the sub tree.
Yeah.
And then the value and
Not the
what is not again?
Oh, we have them.
So what each of the extension value? So like it has value like the.
Okay, so it has the value of E. It has the subtree.
I'm getting a wrong answer, so I guess it's a logic issue that somehow I'm not capturing at all. You can read off if you want, actually.
E. So you only looking at E. You can look at E also, or F is constructed. I have some ideas.
Everything's one. It's just one. It's just one.
Tyler, you want to implement A?
I can go for it. I'm not super confident in just
Oh, that's I mean A.
Oh, yeah. Very straightforward.
Okay, we're kind of actually maybe it's okay. You look at everything.
I just need like 5 minutes. I have everything in like 5 minutes.
You're like when
Yeah, either way, yeah, you need to make I think children on both sides are positive.
Bro, the answer will not be into 128, right?
Yes. Oh.
The answer will not be that big, right? The answer is what?
Which cars if everything is in?
Yeah. Because you cannot put inputs into 123 and then write something in function within a function.
Yeah.
You send them as in, send them and assign them to the path other variables.
Okay, correct.
But when you cast it to long block, then you want to smaller, like pass it down.
Zero.
I have.
Well, like if you want to code, then you might like if you printed, you should spread out the code.
Oh yeah.
哎，这个没有改进。哦。
Yes, I'm just gonna make sure I'm not overdoing it. Okay. Or do you want to do that?
I don't. 那我等一模。
Okay, well, I'm just gonna.
You're fine. 哦，那其实我可以计算就是向左边、右边。就是我确实可以，就是我可以找到这个点，我也可以找到这个点，就我可以算这个。
Because if this goes all the way to the bottom, the thing is,
high school math.
but the thing is, then this thing I think
Yeah, I mean, if the value is there,
Estimate.
Cut -1, then values of t equals to 0. Oh, and then I need to do something else. So, and then some subtree is going to be plus equal to the divisor. It's going to be plus equals to 8.
Are you doing some subtree for?
wait, why is this?
Yeah, so I'm getting it for my
Because the answer is not the sum of all subtree.
No, it is like so I think that I have an answer for each piece of so I need to add them up. And I also need to add 2 with k. So
I'm not fully confident in it. Do you want me to look? I'm just guessing. I'm not gonna be honest.
I'm just like hyping as many lines as physically possible.
I have a pseudo proof. I have a pseudo proof that it has to be graded, but it's fast.
This is a part of the.
If we get this over 4, we're actually world class. We.
我想，如果是错的，如果说到那个正确，我有个啥意思？给他们小。
Probably like log. Like maybe you have to like. Yeah. You try to. Try like 1 second. Try like random numbers and then think about adding.
Wait, go board. That's kind of crazy, bro. What the fuck? Bro, that's like kind of crazy, bro. Okay, keep.
Whereas 1D.
Wait, wait.
You want to try this towards 0. 5 U's.
Yeah, bro, they hurt us, bro. They hurt us. You see that? Shit, they hurt us, bro. Shh, calm down.
Well, I just check here. Well, now you don't need to. Okay, I'm doing your
I have to use a square root function, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can adjust these. Resolution.
So we're going to try to fix it.
Right, but shouldn't. So this represents
and 6
that
needs to
has
cut 1
gradients.
before that is related, which is correct. Otherwise, if there is
So shouldn't we do the prefix product and then multiply the product by dp0 of j? Notice how this doesn't depend on.
Oh yeah, you can pretty fast.
Oh yeah. It looks like it starts with what are the last?
Okay, I think you need to write H.
One.
One.
H is
big number.
It's 4.
One big number.
Okay. Every edge has capacity k minus the sum of the weights. And then we flow from the leads.
No, why is the center? You count on
What is one?
So
Okay.
so I was
Oh, I see.
If you with the root, if you use one thing, right?
yes.
And then you have this. And you take
Is your DP into October? It's a month. Just connect this.
No, I'm just guessing you. So I'm testing you. It is the same as the sample. Coming. 6. One more.
Maybe Al, you could finite time.
Oh, I need to derive the numbers here on that, like solve the problem. Like, I need, for what m and n, for what m and n can you tile with h?
Why don't you just guess something?
I just want to confirm this.
The place I'm worried about is it possible for a situation where like
И два размера. Давай 4 на 5. Дай числа с суммой 19. Так, секунду. А значит, давай пофиг. 4, 5. Опа. Хуй. Охуенно. Не, красава.
这么连起来，对，就是连起来是 J 嘛。然后呢，你每次就只能去右上或右下移，然后如果你要最后一张到 W 不行，你 W 也是小于等于
N equals 10,000.
然后如果你最大的
How do I need to generate another? Wait, you just try 50.
最小
You can just let it roll.
所以相当于就是从前往后。
对 I need better random numbers like that.
我想法就是我
Random
整个零。
Can you like read it quickly? Yeah, wait. The root of 4 is 1 y plus more like I mean I can re-implement it, but I don't think it's
do you have? How you vote?
Yeah, there is.
And if you just think about problem for 5 minutes before starting to implement stick,
I know.
you take all sorts of time.
I know. I will write my.
Yeah, think about it like 5 minutes or so and just start.
Okay. Which problems do we have? B, H, should be L, K.
A, B, H,
D should be solved.
L, and for the
should be solved.
yeah,
and
we should.
And F should be solved. Okay.
Okay.
Like, what is it that?
Discussed it. This one seems, I don't know if you want
You just comment on it.
Okay.
I thought you
What if we I will reach out. I have some idea for each. Maybe you want to.
I'm ready. Yeah.
Oh, you have ready. So maybe you can.
Wait, they were standing not together.
Where are we?
28. Okay.
Oh, they get B. Okay. What else?
Okay, I didn't.
I'm saying we can solve this.
No, I can tell you. Okay. So we start by BFSing, and we have like a global answer.
I claim that you should have done universal concept is persecution with obvious terms.
Can I see what you like very have like that have the way
I can do like
equal negative one. Yeah. We have
What did they say about automatically logging in?
I'm just thinking of this thing where only go.
Then you're wrong answer on B. No.
500x distance.
AC, nice.
Should do 500x distance and y distance.
D and
H, D, H, and F.
I didn't understand it.
DH.
You'd be failing graph.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So
Yeah, let's decide which one's wrong. You just need 3 more.
Cái có limit nào bao nào chắc hơn rồi chia
X mũ Y đi. Đấy, X là số nhân tố. Ồ. Nó không phải X mũ Y thôi. Tại vì cái này là N mình nó N bên. Không hiểu mày đang nói gì cả. Mày có X mũ Y đúng không? X là số nhân tố đúng không? Cái này X mũ Y và cái thằng mày cần. Sinh ra X mũ Y.
If we have A and B, I think if we maximize it every time twice. Right, but I think what I tried to get was necessarily close to that. That's my problem. Oh, to the side. Because I'm saying it could be probably search, but I'm saying like as close as possible, right? I don't know. I think that's like that. Yeah, that's my problem. Okay, let's think about when is there.
如果 x 正好是在一个节点上。
Yeah, and
I think this would become the one version. I feel like we should do one of those transformations.
Like, yeah, you can assume the order isn't changing, but binary search funds right? Because if you know it doesn't change the kind of binary search, at some point, like, 2 of them are going to become one order, right? So you just binary search.
But I think we can get to the point where you are. Just by sure. Because like this is like random.
From math import stock.
GCP
13612然后 L 的话，我这个整个程序都需要重新搞一下。
Okay. Oh, it's G. But who the fuck names not G?
Oh.
Причем воно останній ряд тупо повністю переписує. Що за хуйня?
It's the 64 case.
Oh,
Нет.
we didn't check that. Oh, it's FAU of CO. Oh, what?
It's just hard to check.
Oh.
Ну, Shadows, да, но оно тебе запишет эту переменную. Не говорит...
Yeah. KL. Should we read it? EF. Yeah.
Maybe someone else is
No, make it max. Just one percent. That's it.
Okay.
285. We just make it S. Just S.
你那个题还不是很会写，你还没有解释。Here, I might help.
What's the artist for?
Got it? Yeah.
This feels right.
Makes me look like wet napkin.
What is this dark magic? What the hell?
You read it, right?
No, why do they mix?
I was thinking about lemon.
Because the procedure, because the numbers of this one, you can only generate one. So it's more like, are you deleting or you don't delete it? This one is actually don't delete it, you delete it. So basically, can I go delete something, this also can delete it. Now, if you go here, now you have the options of either deleting something. If you don't delete anything, that means you are just.
But then, the question is like for instance, like right now, if I update like top of the list,
Lowest than
then you can do that. Like you can. I don't know if it's can do or it could go like it could go up like that. You do.
Or not, it becomes.
The high is less than equal.
When this will be linear time.
Yeah.
How to initialize this is right? So, you just think for the ceiling that sort of has, it'll sort of have.
Originally, we have x squared plus y squared plus y. So if I say x equals x over w, then replace x with x.
I feel like they should be double slash 2c. Why? This should be slash 2 so much. You're going this way and this way.
This is just the equation for being on the ellipse. It's not the amount that's inside the ellipse.
X is what?
X represents your coordinate on.
No, x should.
Oh, x is how much?
Yeah. So it should be x.
Doesn't matter. We all get sick.
And this is like accounting problems, right? Yeah. Accounting problems are like
Everything.
But there are areas that are
and then you reduce it.
We add value of A, highest value of A.
Yeah, I see.
Can I interrupt for a second?
So and I can add to the signature. Deciding which one to add, right? I can add exactly one.
Okay, something wrong here.
What are we? What are we?
Nó tao.
So with 20, this is like oh yeah, I mean some relaxation.
New algorithm.
No, it means
2. And max sum is 20.
yeah, some is 20 and some is 2.
And then at node 5, max sum is 5 and then sum is 5.
This is strong. Let's see how. There's a tree structure on the page. Every vertex, or okay, every edge has to be full. You just want to find a value that's positive. You want to find the max value. That's not necessarily one. So we would need to parse the graph objects like that, and then it should be something.
Because you did, yeah, you did. Oh, I forgot about it. Just like
What? Split it.
oh, sorry. Oh, I remember it. I remember it.
Okay. Wait. I think maybe 2.
I remember it.
R.
Can you like kind of
Y.
You know, we have
X is 2. So X is 4, that's correct. Y is 3, that's correct.
Me, I do it.
Basically, if I violate the constraint at any point,
Yes.
okay. Wait. You want to code? Then why?
Why is this plug in?
Oh, by inference.
Like this, right? Yeah, this is why is n equal to a by b?
I did 1 by 2 for every
Something weird going on? No, but like, you don't have to deal with it since that was just the thing. Did you find it?
What do you think is wrong with everything?
I don't know why, but like, like essentially when I'm giving it like 1, 29, 29, and then I'm talking C, and I say like C out is A, and the result in the end is like different. So when I copy this out, yeah.
Okay, so like what do you
How do we recover the minimum?
For the game is pretty simple.
Can you just basically number of subarrays
So we can like we can decide what to do.
and you can do it like
You could try to look if you find some interesting stuff.
It's
Okay, can I fix the weapon B? I don't want to.
这都是减少的方双指减东西并不会特别多，就算它本身这个是很大的。
看一下我们。
所以 OK， 现在要做的事情是这样的，简单 double
everything goes through the Hopkins and number of times it is keeping the order state. Yeah, once it is order, it will be forever order. So just yeah.
No, it's not too small. It's too small compared to what I want.
Oh, someone is passing J. Okay. Holy shit.
I mean, I don't know if they're actually that good.
Yeah.
Maybe speak to them on the phone.
Just go down, follow the line.
We stuff a 1 in there. Right? What happens if it gets you want to test cases? Q1. How many cases? 3. Yeah. Q1. 1, 0 is grid spaces. Oh, okay. Well, then what do you want? 1, 3, 1.
Wait, this is a minus 32.
1, 3. У нас сначала должны идти. У нас сначала может идти L, он пойдет сюда, спустится, поднимется, а там дальше R. Типа, вот у нас дэшки. Давай фиксить. Это, мне кажется, последний кейс, это самый был встречный. Надо фиксить. Вниз по дэшкам. Вот сюда R условно, да? Do a stack. Just do a stack and left click key. Stack goes to right. Should not go hard. We're close to it. I guess I'm like food. I feel like there's something wrong with H. I don't feel how H is wrong about my life.
The tree one?
Yeah.
So I'll just talk about read inputs. This is for a given W, return the maximum.
Yeah, the answer.
And this is
The answer I couldn't find it later.
W and H.
Oh, maybe we can do that.
So it's always up in the center.
Nó lập biên phương thằng này, cộng lập biên phương là thằng nào gì đấy, nhỏ bằng cái này thằng này biên phương, cái lớn bằng thằng này biên phương, nhưng mày phải ăn to nó nhỏ bằng. Với mày mày cho tao là cái này mình, cái này cộng 8 không. Yeah.
Let me see if I change the root to 2. If it still works.
Proceed.
No way. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, then I'll do it.
For playing these arguments, and then all the rest you can put on. Because you can never escape. Yeah, because when you open it right, you can never escape.
I would do it maybe as a collab of PII which is where each entity plus the height and same for bottom.
Yeah.
And then you can at each step you can just search which interval am I in, and then based on which interval I'm in, you can search the actual height.
Okay. Yeah. So I think
and then you just that gives you an interval of like what is the possible states.
Yeah.
And then you have another interval which is like what actually can we read right now.
Yeah.
And you basically
Still, the maximum value here should be like,
but it's still printing 0
like those guys.
Or like different like stuff, but like
Some boundary definition.
what is the? Oh wait, what is
It's so strange. Like we solve two problems in Friday.
I don't know how to screenshot.
Just start to.
Oh, now what?
I don't think
we want to read the cancer problem.
next one should be
L.
B or F.
Another one I can tell you again. You give it a circle, right?
Yeah.
And then you want to fit as much rectangles inside the circle as possible.
Everything the same.
24, 96. Oh, still not good. Yeah, you just check whatever.
Nó nói ít như một.
Wait, why is the answer always the same?
Yeah, it becomes n log n. And all that's the Yeah, I'm saying like the query targets are always like some value times k.
Yeah.
So like that's some value times k. There's only at plus n times k possible. So like you can compress your coordinates into like n times k. I don't know. Actually, I don't think that works.
Sorry, I think I'm
If the last case is impossible, then... Oh no, that's fine. That's right.
Well, I guess the word
So in this case where it's an issue of how to then I'm thinking it's bars
Or time. Go.
I think this case I gave
Why do you
3, -2, and type the whole thing. This one, here's a letter. That.
If there's not then it might be
Hang on. Wait, maybe this is. Wait, how can I find a ring?
Just to call me like the factorization, the first one's on the web. When we are requires the base.
Immediate.
We want that. It's not.
Should I just say? But I'm printing out index and its adjacency, and I'm getting force. How is equivalently 5 and 7? How are these two connected?
Let me
How are 5 and 7 connected?
we have for now. So it's J, M. So E is the most accepted 6 IC on E, including like 2 bytes at the bottom. CGIJ. What? CGIJ. CGIJ. One jet.
Stacks. I think the indices to track the next vertex in the list of points, right? Which is like each vertex has an
Honestly, I think they just like.
Okay, do you want to just implement? Just implement that part. I've got to make this.
How much is gain? Oh, you're just going to hold it together.
Because we have been influencing each other and we are
Paper or?
just like this, or just like this picture. Just like this picture. Yeah.
Okay. That is different from speaker away from.
Oh yeah. Then we try to sort first.
Oh wait, are you okay? I'm trying to look for some options.
It doesn't have to PBS works on this.
No, so then I count basically and I take a sum for I take the number of ways for each child. That child has a baggage. Baggage to here, and this I will connect to because I want to say basically this and that.
You got it.
Yeah. Right. I will cook them. So you got your stuff, right? I can cook. I want to check the leaderboard, see where we are. Yeah. See what we expect to win.
Everything that we like 4. Yeah. 5 at this time, so probably 6.
I can do the downs on the left stick.
Can you undo the change?
Oh, it's because it's because that's already it.
Can you generate?
But right. Take a problem.
Because basically, right, then half doesn't go all the way, half goes into a 5, which then...
Things if there's an issue, it's probably going to be on a bound.
You said your program is on because it has... So instead of having an app that goes all the way to the cloud, it should just be able to, it should just go to the raw app.
What's our tweet type keeps
You solved it? I can say we're pretty sure. I'm pretty
Yeah, that's why they're getting close. The horse is very close to what is going on. Wait, how? It is 0. Oh, it should be integer. It should be
Can you show the Zoom screen? Oh wait, no, you have to answer the thing.
Yeah. But the thing is, you only have a linear amount of U, and maybe you must need it, I guess. No, it's not. You know, but you want every single possible guy, every single possible model to go to this.
wrong answer.
Yeah, the ceiling looks like the right height.
Is this in 1?
This is 2. The right.
And then I want everything in red.
I'm good for 5 whatever, so minus whatever. Like this, what happens? No, I mean you're making the product. You will minus.
No, may not be.
I know this.
其实拍也很简单，直接，那我也忘了怎么写了，因为。I read D and I have ID. So, can you let's get L? You have price ID for L, right? Now what you
You might be able to solve it, but I don't know.
Listen, so it's very long. Wait, ternary search. What was like why? Why? Maybe you need binary search instead and inside. Do you have something to comment?
And so I would maybe just add
Yes. Otherwise, we'll try. You want to like just read the prompt thing and make sure we're not like. Oh, maybe it's.
I was almost trying to write a fast over that.
Yeah. But like I'm just thinking if they're defining the time it stops differently than you are, you might not the solve problem.
We'll work on that. Can you have
A, or do you think I should look at it? I'm not very good at that. I'm trying to do like the math.
Otherwise,
as long as you're
不是我们多省钱，我们多了一页，多那个数据这块。
但是 J 他们过了，我操，这个好。
那你多多有人想 J 吗？
all in 需要你想想别的。哎，我
真说不下来没题了。
You sure that's good enough?
We still have 2 hours, so a lot of things can happen. No, I want mine.
And fill the rest of
Yeah, and now we can if it's the same pattern.
So I just need to I know how to evaluate this line here.
We use
I need to figure out.
We need to figure out what is the
lowest, like with opposite parent.
Look at
The lowest integer with opposite parent.
So how many teams pass have? How many teams pass have? 那你 then leave this to me, I guess.
Okay, so what we should get is we have that. Oh, so what's
So, I guess, like A1, and then A2 after K trials will subtract K times A1. So A3 after K trials will subtract, like, first it subtracts A2 minus A1, then it subtracts A2 minus 2 A1, then it subtracts A2 minus 3 A1. All in all,
again, we're in the middle of the pack. I know, it's like I'm saying, it's like mixing a tea. If you don't really start to sink in.
Yeah, wait, which one was it? Oh. Yeah.
H also has quite a few solves. Do you want to just glance at it? F and H both have lots of solves.
F. E, I have something I have not.
Yeah. If we can get F and H, we'll have 7 solves.
E 和 H 差不多 ，EH 差不多差不多。
Let's just think about like if we have element average. So we have a value.
If I run this on 2, it should already get the impossibles.
Oh, okay. Let's not even speak like it. We just treat this as not the worst. I mean, like, right.
There's always another mark.
Oh, H first. What?
Wait, what? Why can't ternary search with L is equal to mid-L, and mid-L is better.
It tends.
Do we not have
Can you give me bigger numbers?
Give me max.
Rank them bigger numbers.
L, yes. You can. No, but what is only?
like it's more of the
If you have a bunch of just this much amount of writing,
Still 15 seconds. So you cannot take the middle.
I think I'll just put it on my own.
Middle is not this.
Just modify the line.
Okay.
That's it.
Maybe you
Oh yeah, I did.
What is it?
It's like
But if you were to move this over,
no, because if you move this over, you can
get it with only down.
Get it with downs or yeah.
but do you always want back
or like here you only pick one. Well, it's different because
Check it that it catches.
well, it catches it on the sample.
So now we just decide how it's working. Are there edge cases here?
Здесь как идем, мы идем до последнего ряда не переходим. Стоп, это что это? Окей, теперь. Да. Оно не ставит онлайн.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure these two protocols were all powerful.
最上面这个取一个 max， 然后还得保证它还是偶数，但是基础所以说如果一不行的话，那只能是负一或者或者这样。但是就是怎么求着开始这个 up 是一个漏洞是一个。
No, I'm coding.
Y equals X and
L here, and then U here, and then I'm going to get U here, because it's going to U and then R. So what's the condition? The condition
I don't think that's correct. Because that's the number of ways that we connected to the root. Well, this is from the root now. So why would be the number of ways to have one edge connected to the root?
Which is like not a thing that we care about. We can have any number of things connected.
Oh yeah, I'll do a circle actually. Since you guys are doing something, I'll do the circle. Yeah, I can code it.
It's a gas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let him do it.
What problem is the circle?
I don't know. L. I need a L. Okay.
Anh Thịnh会chọn cái này tao biểu. Từ mấy cái em sẽ
对，每个 X
但nếu mà số cho nó kiểu là nó tức là nếu cái này nó dùng cái kiểu thứ hai
Stand up and down by one thought.
tao chưa biết mắc tao chưa biết xong rồi mắc công thứ hai tức là
I even have one. And then for the remaining I just put them here.
Yeah.
Oh, 1 second.
Should be able to get those.
哦，他说有个输入格式让我想。
I just took the wrench.
I think that's probably the
And then left can just go wherever and it won't cause problems.
I just had this final case. I don't think to figure out. I don't know how to compute how many ways we can compare.
Sam's I want to open the file. Yeah, that is wrong.
okay make it zero easier to
Open up that.
For each point, at each step, we check for intersecting. There should be a zero difference of 2. The other thing that's worth noting is there can be.
No, I'm just making sure before I submit it. Yes. I was making it out. Okay, I'm submitting.
Is it okay to make I'm worried it was slow.
Oh wait, can I copy this? Oh, it's page C? What? Wait, who the fuck solved it here as me? No? That's money. What?
Right.
Hope it will pass. Do you think it should be between lower and upper. And if it is smaller than lower, it should be go to in this case.
That's ours. So suppose that we're going to construct a path or something like this, right? And so this is some area. We want this area to be equal to the number of nouns and verbs, like the remaining But here, ultimately we'll have to downright path always find a little path like this, such that the area A B D H 我们通过了。A B D H K L.
Wait, give me one second. Give me one second. This is vertical. Case one is vertical lines, so you need to have it. Yeah. I had a fun. The answer should be.
Then we can write the equation as, say, let's just say the number of non-Jews.
On the bottom there.
Okay.
I think I don't know how long.
You want to comment? I'm still debugging it. I think I can just.
I think you should think about all. I
got
should
something
think about all anymore.
I think I'm pretty close with this.
And then this even handles the message.
I'm going to the toilet.
All my problems. Let's say that plus one deducting the mid plus and recurrence still not
So you are sure you are?
You want to test one first?
No, I don't.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Instant is watching out.
Okay. Yeah, bro, two more problems. We have finished the final. You can simply read it. I've already explained it. You can also read it with Andy.
Okay.
Oh no! Our downs want to fill in rectangularly the opposite way. We want to leave these free, right?
I'll try all three.
So then, and then all of our lefts will fill in rectangularly, sort of like this.
I'm making a joke.
And then right. And then the Jew provides most color right now has a this one. You want to on the right.
These are in the Can you explain again when did you take
That's in the lane, that's what
Why? It's quite random. You can still have cases where like, you can go.
Are you confident?
You can go like a bunch of 500s and then a bunch of 490s. That's like a tricky case, right? Because you would need to like recover
things, style, not and these can have like small snakes. Convex.
actually we're gonna afford for Police này lại thằng này sống trước tất cả thằng trước đó và nó hiểm trước đó còn gì nữa các bạn sống trước thằng này.
Also, if you put the 8, when you cut the 8, you have to go to the loop. Like the node itself has to go to some loop. If you're going through some other loop, that means each count must also go through the other loop. If you keep the 8, if you cut it, then you go through the leaf 8. And then if you are going through a leaf, that means you need one count to be a leaf. And then every other count has to be either other leaf.
Well, yeah, what are the next two problems? Okay, I'll let you go. So, wait, how long do we have?
Is it possible to get a set now?
6 minutes long.
Is it possible?
Oh, 30 minutes.
Oh!
So maybe they were
Which the event should
but they're not.
Then you set an entitled
Or wait.
Ну, на сет. Да, я вообще больше всего сделал. А, не пробовал.
No, 6 will be fine. I know, but this will be 6 minutes.
Okay, was 7?
Yeah, we got 7. So it will be like 6 with good penalty.
Or, yeah, or 7. So we'll make 7. So, can I read F?
What?
So out of F, D, H, L, we need to get 3 of them. We have H, so we need to get 2 out of L. We have E, so we need to get 2 out of L, F, Z. That's
This part, the number of rights and this part is
Yeah. I do one of them.
Yeah, so I don't see it.
So let's say that. Let's just say for assumption that. So suppose yep. Or all this. Yes. Where possible, then it's never sequence.
Wait, what? I don't know. I think I just hit the start because yeah. I did.
No, that's not correct. H stamp. H stamp Y. Oh, because yeah, W is greater. Yeah, W is greater. That's why. Cover this with that. Or cover this with that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And we know that downs and laps together fill up the whole volume, correct? So the question is, do we ever not have enough?
Well, my concern would be like, what if we don't have enough downs, but we would have enough if we like put the left under the rights to
Okay. So the original way to okay. So if this is good.
Oh, you have to dot swap, not swap. You have to turn on dot swap.
Why?
This is OVAD. So
Oh, like
yeah.
It's not good. It's
like this?
Dot top, yes.
I don't know.
Wait,
Why do you know that?
Because it happens all the time.
Hey. Oh, the problem? I mean, the full, basically, my instructor found it for the fact that, like, if we already added some b to a number, then we don't need to add this factor b minus 1. Okay, that feels better now.
That's second. And also remember some problem. We also had like a lot of chickens. Remember, we use the same
Please, I just need this one. It was this is right over at
I can print it for you?
Yeah, just print it. I need to find out what is it? I'm just figuring out the it's like really hard. It's like not clear. Dr. W. Yeah, you can read it together. No, that's not the
Well, which problem?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll
yeah, explain I, and then like I need time. Like, I'm too nervous right now. I'm doing C.
I mean, we can talk this.
Just DP, right?
So the claim is yes, it's very straightforward. We're going to go through the round that point.
sum 加上什么东西
Oh, that's output. Okay.
Okay, I do need to check the light.
山有一个是把 A 乘上 in B mod
I say it. Like, if we bomb, then we'll be more careful. We won't get like 10 bombs. And I say,
No, I think let me just think about it for a bit.
Yeah, you like.
如果是 in
No, and then like the claim is that you do plus this minus this plus this minus this for all the you should get the same value.
Yeah, I think maybe you can check the math. It should be initially I should reset FD.
I think we just we need optimize. That's a paper wrong answer.
Sure.
When J equals A minus 1.
Oh, I see now. Oh, I see. So okay, that's fine.
Customer small cases. So we're gonna still do this.
It's like it's not you, you're solving for that. You like recurse over the
Why is left? Oh, because left is 0. Left is 0. So you can't go up here.
So I think we have a problem.
From bottom up. We don't have enough. We have to stop at least
come on.
Here. So all of these have to be yours. So we have
You're searching A and B separately, right? Like you just search A, find B, on the network search.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. I mean, yeah, I'll just do that. So, 0. I don't know if we should be
that's definitely a part of our path. Well, no, why are we using it? That's not using it.
How are we using that's
Oh, sorry, self-op and back.
oh
That's the back?
yep.
Yeah.
0, 0, 0. Put R, I guess. R, we can add this, at the end we can start with that.
So yeah, I guess first.
And then I want to do, I don't know, instead of doing the for loop, I want to go through this. Or I want to find, then when one variable is set, and then we're going to find, like,
When you find you don't know exactly before or after. That's what we're
oh yeah, no, if one step, then I want to find it better.
yeah, that's what we're doing.
No, but then it's not.
But it's not necessary because X finds the X not.
Вариант который вот это
Yeah, but they say you need to slowly work on it. These are all yeah, I just don't want
You can just throw shit out. Just throw shit out. Like throw it back here. Мы типа мы либо ломаем вот это, либо
trying to find using that and square root of I'm like the person it's like
You're beautiful, I just want to,
Which way you need to like adjust? Yeah, we're doing it iteratively, but top largest to smallest. You want to do largest to smallest, right? It changes 2 squared, right? Or is that? Sure.
I think I can just fill the rest of the R's and use it arbitrarily, and I never break it.
then R's and use. Are you sure?
I think so. It's 10 on the supposed to get there.
Like we travel to like X coordinates, like we would choose the right one by one. Because in terms of what you're trying to
nobody must
See the value.
yeah,
Just wait, what problem next?
J is really to see as a fully where the fully cuts.
My conjecture is that you find the optimum concentration
Oh, L?
Yeah.
no that problem.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, but the defense man. Do we care about penalty on D? Well, my old code, I got it to work, but I don't really know.
Yeah, ask you that. One and one. Heck is this? One. Wait, how do we verify this? You don't want to. Then you put the difference. Yeah. You have to you have to choose.
And then every time.
Yeah, I think either or. Initialize everything starting with L equals 0. I don't know. That's true.
Check your
strings are immutable, so that can get 2D.
We don't need the working party.
Why do we do it interpolation? Why don't we just get precise? Because these values don't get so.
Do not see it.
Jesus Christ.
This is the case where they intersect and we have at least n-1 there. In this case, this construction is perfect. We put the U here.
And now we put DOMs in this corner, in the top left. So it's going to look like this.
No, because now we have a cycle.
And then we can fill the rest whatever we want. Do whatever we want. Like this construction. So I guess the only problem is
Yeah, we need to get it.
No, I mean, I think it's believable, right? Like,
I really didn't see that. Right.
okay, F, E, J are the next ones too. I think we can do F and E maybe. F, probably, based on the amount of solid. E, maybe. I think we should be a little scared.
Look at the peaks of
it is but only for at least one. Then you might not have experienced it. You need to figure out what you need to do.
Yeah, and then whichever one you have,
So how do you figure out what you need to do? I don't think it's
whichever one has the biggest difference
between that and that.
Yeah.
I think it's
yeah. That's your biggest thing.
But then only suck you two ways.
Yeah. Give a whole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give a whole.
We need to figure out if it's a greater than 0. That means we. Yes. Okay. So PF's sub.
Let's come up with cases. Don't be lazy. Come up with cases. Okay.
Okay. So I have one of them. It should definitely. Can you not just multiply by like a million?
I'm doing it right now.
Well, just working in by multiplying. Or. Oh wait, and just explicitly round.
this is wrong. So yeah, we can just fix it. Yeah, it's market.
When you move into you just keep track of the seniors. Yeah, and then basically
yeah, is it like it's just like okay, I agree.
Should we just give up on it? It might be best. I don't know. Probably not.
Thank you.
好 ，L 人在这种地方了。L 的一样力过了，交两，二样力一样CPL。
почему-то гринпауэр что ты гринпауэр ты берешь сумму этих
да, я ділю суму, бо я ділю на ДП-0 та ДП-1 і домножаю на ДП-1.
А, ты на вот это ты берешь вот, ты вот это взял, ты множишь.
Типа поделил на...
This might be a really funny construction.
Oh yeah, you're right.
И вот это все ты взял по модулю.
And I think it's going to be like some out going below.
I think
Yeah, so we're gonna. All
right. What did I just scratch?
Wait, at this one.
Okay, no, I'm doing G. I'm doing out. I'm doing out. Okay. I'm doing out.
Well, I do that. Okay. Well, what's the condition of if maybe
Okay, I quite the thing. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Condition that you this is what they okay, let's do go that section first instead. No,
but you have already done that, still not in range.
I mean, this is redundant.
Okay. Yeah.
What if power is wrong? Can we test power rigorously?
And then remember to still
The power method, just so.
Some of the squares are like some of the squares are blocked.
Let's go!
Let's go, guys! Holy shit!
I don't care.
to be honest, I cannot even explain my solution.
That's not important. No one cares about.
Basically, I just switched the height in here as well.
Importantly, not CW because that's the same thing as
You are searching like on the middle is not going to be I want to search on which are the integer and A's and B's. What's
Sorry, I'm at 1, right? Yeah. And then the ups stay the same. The down R's stay the same, right? And then I need to like subtract some D's and subtract some L's.
So keep it L's and then D's.
Sorry.
No, D's then L's.
Yeah. So like n like sub d, d minus 1.
Oh, it's point.
Oh, it's
Yeah, the entry is not. Should be 2. Should be 2 for the else.
If you have something
also right, wait. Alright, let's double check.
maybe I should
好的，先把这个解判断，然后至于怎么
Oh, I can tell you what I think about the
有一个小陷阱，F 肯定能打，
Oh, really?
可能比 F 哦，第一个看
看看看，现在是 we're seven. E 我在写，应该稳的。C 有人过了，然后
你现在搭了这么一条路，那么就是这个数边其实
JM 里，
所以我就把这两条数边去加在这个。
我这里需要
Yeah, and very
if there's a block that makes the hardest possible block, no matter what they ask, the runner can always say that they're currently in that block.
Wait, do you think I should do the left-right search? Instead of just a single point. So it's terminal search and then I do left.
Yes.
And I'm kind of smart. Let me solve D. Let me solve D.
Whatever.
Let me solve D. Nice. Oh yeah. Just think about now. Okay, so we are so L for sure. L. Yeah, L is good. L and D. Okay. I think there's 100% else. Awesome to get there's kind of one solve on all these problems here.
B is a required solve.
Yeah, I think you got that right.
L.
Sorry, no. B, what we've been struggling on, like a ton of teams going on.
Aha! I'm stupid.
Find the point XY, find the last point XY within the ellipse that maximizes X power.
Like X and Y has to be bigger.
Yeah. Try like smaller.
So I want to.
Like we can compute the optimal.
Like, if you want to say
I think it is like I think that y'all sing implementation very I think good planning square. That is so like so it can run on the machine. It should be the same thing. Like we need like we need 15 I think that's 7. That's what it counts.
So we have gotten so the other ones we're looking at, I think it's still doable.
He's working on it.
We need to choose
Yes, I need to
becoming slower, actually, to be honest. Maybe I will just change this to 4.
Yeah, yeah. Guys are subtracted first. Subtracted.
Yeah, R minus 1. I have to do this like
I think of it. I think I'll be minus 1. Okay, hour 52 minutes. That's perfect.
R minus 1 for that. Yep. What else? I did it here.
Oh no, yeah.
Minus 1.
Nice.
What you might say.
Yeah, we probably have
Space is now just L. And then L to L first. Don't worry about it. That has to be. That also needed it.
Will we go right now?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it's for it. This one is stupid because the OPT is gonna be.
I'll let you know in a second.
So I don't even
if you want to.
Because it's a square and it's the thing is R.
Wait, that's it. That's like.
Oh no, baby.
Are you okay?
Okay, we need to figure out the default. Ilhan's idea is to look at an MST. Or look at a spanning tree and then see if we can recall.
Well, like not even necessarily the start of the cycle.
Or you
Ready?
What? Didn't?
Oh wait, no, I only pulled it.
Okay.
F has a lot of souls. And what was the one after? L.
Yeah.
We're trying.
Has anyone read? Can someone pre-code the question? Like paper.
If you just want to think more or do something else, like I have something.
What do we do? Is there any other like routes we can?
If u less than m minus 1.
Wait.
M minus 1. N is the height.
Yeah.
You need to. Yeah.
I think I used that everywhere.
I'm not really thinking an hour and like 14 minutes.
Oh, I didn't. No, that never happened. Still happened. But as a fixed application, and this still looks right. The function has to like been happy.
Okay, wait, that's okay. You want to be close to 45. I mean, it's not even turnover. You have it.
Oh yeah, I can start filling in this. I can use this basically.
Yeah. I'll remember later.
Oh yeah, wait, oh, what should I do? Like, should I remove this?
Oh yes. So remove.
I need to see what I generate. Like, I need an intersection case.
Intersection case? Sure. We can have
Find the maximum.
哦，就是写了一个，就是你的那个地环路的环，最后到这里找到。
从这个D 的终点这个地的，
就是地到这一行结束了，还要这一行，
就是整个大 R。
对对对。
然后剩下的东西我们就枚举换一个范围，剩下的就我操。RU 无所谓了是吧？
For now, what?
就比如说26。那我现在正好跟你不一样。
Also, I would recommend.
肯定过了都不用看了。
Why don't you like put the placements before the rules? Like put all the courses after.
Wait.
There might be overflow.
Put all the recursives after the placements.
I need to divide by UC.
Oh, that could be. 我就跟你写完就过了。This is an issue because my R should not be.
Well, because when you modify the current factors, they should divide by the GCD.
It should be.
Like if you can, I'm pretty sure it is doable in some way. Log n.
C 什么 CIJN C 一个
XL, and then we need one more.
Really definitely.
Process down penalty.
We absolutely.
No, would you M
We can get one more.
Okay, let's mark up.
We 还有多少时间？1个小时。
You don't set any weight, but then you go here and pick all the children. Like this has a range of possible values, right? So it's not set, and this can go from 0 to k. This can go from 0 to k. So you have like available values to work with. Now you go here. This is locked at 2, but so it doesn't matter. So then you just go through these, see how big you can make them. So you're like, okay, k. I'm never going to make this subtree any better, or this layer any better than k. So since I can use up k, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
First, like we. Yeah.
Like on the tangent or what?
What's the point of the tangent? I'm already brute forcing in a window around this.
Brute force online.
Okay, so I'm feeling simple, so let me check if my
This is the starting grid. So now we place down and starting. And then what do we do?
Put it right at the.
I actually saw diagram.
The right.
Oh god. Thank God. Alright. Where's our list?
It's either test locally and just like fix RWH.
I guess worst case is going to be that one. Actually, 1 million.
the worst case.
So you said 20,000?
Okay.
0%. Yeah. The issue 30,000. I have 60,000.
Oh yeah, and we don't have enough. Right.
We're not gonna know that.
It's the same thing. Because that bottom never decrements.
Basically, if we get to a point where
if I equals, if I is less than 0, you can find these points pretty easily. Bottom, if we query an x, we go down to the y, and then we query that.
Okay, and then just like drop down the new line.
We have picked something right now, and that's the problem with you for this.
That's really good. Okay. So we got B, we have A. Okay. Can we try M?
M has only 2 syllables.
Like we're very close to F. Not believe in our quadratic thing. How do you think?
I'm not that skeptical of it, but
it just sounds like. I mean, you just round and then like check.
Nice job.
Yeah, we don't.
That was not a high five.
Bro.
Right, speed.
Still in jeopardy. Okay, let's get it. So we just do whatever. I think E and I like N.
We use too many rights right here. I think now we only have one.
No, but okay, we fucked it up over here. We can't put it right here. Do you have mod mul? Like, when we're over here, we have mod mul over here. That's the only thing we can do. We have 4 ups and 1 right. Like this has to proceed like this, and then we solve over here. We have 2 ups and 1 right, and then we do like this.
what is this?
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, everything of the number that they gave.
I'm thinking
Also the NTA. Oh wait, is the input there's the input guarantees there? That's really nice. Oh, the input isn't guaranteed. Oh, so it could be 0. Wait, so what is the input? Like 0 condition? What is the 0 condition? Put AI things.
Like usually, yeah.
Do you want to put it?
No. That's
No, do you want to put it?
Let's make
Because I
sure
think
that
you have it more in there. So if you do,
so now we just have ups now. Up. Let's do more a few ups.
Up.
Now this is AI. Okay. This is AI. This is AI.
Or yeah, or like
so if this is AI.
If this is AI.
The question is like, how do you do this? Or like, how do you measure these? You can like, if you like sort of BFS, not BFS, like reverse or something.
5 songs. Alright.
It's gonna be the
Well, Hopkins' attention on how much of this thing is correct. If we get
I can do
if we get
just like
if we get
I've never read.
I can. Oh, you can.
I feel like you're probably
So basically,
because we removed the
it's some interval, right? The first two intervals, you want to count how many of those intervals cross over. You can maintain max, like, right? You just solve for the subproblem, and then you can kind of see. Like, this whole problem hits that. It feels like this.